In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see history in Firefox. By the end, you will know several quick ways to check what you have browsed before. First, open Firefox. Once the window is open, look near the top right corner for the menu icon. You will see three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu, sitting just under the window close button. Clicking this opens a panel that slides down with several sections like History, Downloads, and Settings. Now click the menu with three lines. From the panel that appears, click the item labeled History. When you click History, a smaller menu drops out. On that list you will see entries such as recently visited websites, recently closed tabs, and recently closed windows. Each line usually shows the page title and a small icon so you can recognize it. From here, click Manage History, or it might say Show All History. This opens the library window, which covers a larger part of your screen. Inside, you will see a list of sites in the middle, along with folders on the left such as Today, Yesterday, and Older Months. A beginner tip here, anything you click in this list can be opened in a new tab with a double click. Next up, there are keyboard shortcuts that do the same job faster. Press Ctrl and H together. This opens the History sidebar on the left side of the Firefox window. The sidebar shows a narrow list of pages and dates while your current tab stays visible. If you want the full library window with all details, press Ctrl-Shift-H. That keyboard shortcut opens the same complete history view as Manage History, so you can switch between mouse and keyboard without changing what you see. Now let us search your history. With Manage History open, look to the upper right corner of the library window. There is a box called Search History. Click inside that box and type a website name, a page address, or any word you remember from the title. As you type, the results list below updates instantly so you can narrow things down without pressing enter. After that, you might want to see the exact time you visited a page. With Manage History still open, move your mouse to the top row above the list where it says headings like Name and Location. Right-click that header row. A menu appears with several column names. Check the one labeled Most Recent Visit. A new column now appears in the list showing the date and time of the last visit for each page. At this point, if you see no history at all, Firefox might not be saving any. Click the menu with three lines again, then click Settings. In the Settings tab, choose Privacy and Security from the left. Scroll to the section called History and check what Firefox is set to do. Make sure it is set to Remember History or to use custom settings for history with history saving turned on. Otherwise, nothing new will appear in the history views. You have now learned several ways to view, search, and timestamp your browsing history in Firefox. If this helped you track down an old page, a quick thumbs up would be great, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Firefox tips.